Hello, it's Forex News for January 7th, provided to you by InstaForex News team and me, Kate Tichina. According to November results, the consumer activity indicator by UBS continues to grow during the second month, as stated in the regular research published by the bank. The current value comes to 1.28, which almost 2 times lower than its minimal level, reached only 2 months ago, though under its historically mid-range value 1.5. Such dynamic turn is accounted for the recovery after the prior deep fall. Nevertheless, one should be careful as to the forecasts about the consumer activity level in Switzerland, as the unemployment rate increase is expected. Being calculated on the basis of automobile selling, retail segment, the number of hotel visitors, payments by credit cards, and also on the consumer tone, the current index has shown the escalation of 4 out of 5 components, with the exception of hotel rooms, but this is explained by the seasonal factors, as declared by UBS. Although the general forecast presupposes the real revival of the demand not earlier than in the middle of the next year. The recovery after shrinkage, and this is with the unemployment level being rather low, may keep the activity of the buyers in the next few months, as they will slightly lessen the concern about the long-lasting recession and the first signs of the financial system recovery. Good data supports the franc strengthening against the euro. The euro-franc pair renews the minimum from March, and it may continue to move in this direction, because the National Bank of Switzerland may initially deviate from the rigid rate monitoring, which indirectly resulted from the early announcement of the bank. It was Forex News provided to you by InstaForex News team and me, Kate Tichina. Goodbye.